You don't know, this is your girl Rakisha representing for Bad Bigs Entertainment Records. You have to tell me say I have a bad rhythm out called At Ice Rhythm. I have a song on it like Where Are You Jaja from Lady Soul. Girl come on bad, my bad so from Simple. And one next song left on it called Dress Code from Ratchapo. Yes, everybody wants to go check it out on Apple Music and Spotify. At Rhythm out, At Ice Rhythm. Yeah, you don't know. One Bad Bigs Entertainment Records.
Welcome to IRAMA, 40 years. I'm Watatamtam. To Shami Calvin, and just really want to say big up Bad Bigs Entertainment.
Blessed up, this is Kawaka Family, where I'm representing for Bad Bigs Entertainment Promotion. Good luck. Right, that's what I'm representing. Yeah. Never go around congregation, boy. Whoa. Your Bad Bigs are burn pagans, so I never go where the pagans go. Blessed up, this is Warrior King, Bad Bigs Promotion. Big up yourself, Bad Bigs Entertainment Promotion. This is Warrior King, Rastafari. Blessed up. It's a show with man, rock and radio. In dance, and a feature big entertainment. Friend this. Warrior King, come in at this man. Yeah, really. Warrior King, I'm ready. We're in that Bad Bigs Entertainment right about long time. Warrior King and Sugar Whale. Bad Bigs Entertainment. Say the thing is Sugar Whale in dance and then dance. Foundation.
IRAMA GT Taylor here. IRAMA, how you do? You know, so everywhere we go right about now, we see people are thief. Me don't know if that becomes our modus operandi. That one name 2-foot puss. So make we run, because the 2-foot puss, them a come. Then take your bank account and left a blank account. Now tell me how you do it, all the money where you thief. Make we run, because the 2-foot puss, them a come. I know yesterday thief in a guan. Long before me and your barn, white collar criminal a raid the barn. Them thief everything from 0 to naught. But how many of these 2-foot pussy ever get caught? When you broke, them relegate you to luggage. But as you find wealth, like worm, them wiggle in your cabbage. Rubbing shoulders and a mingle. Smiling at your face while you them a swindle. But in this fiery financial fiasco, can I bank on you now? I think my interest in you have just been bankrupt. Then how them so greedy? Never knew a wheelchair could have moved so speedy. Binoculars are peeping in your account like overnight watchman. And your money disappear in a record time. So, when you see the 2-foot puss, you feel bold. You remember Tetrack? Them are 2-foot puss. You remember Finsack? Them are 2-foot puss. You remember Century? Them are 2-foot puss. Try nobody blink. Hard-earned money disappear in a wink. You know, since a 2-foot puss are ambush springs. My money can't pass the embankment, and that is a must. How can I forget the underdog schemers from Cash Plus? Puss and dog don't have the same luck. When you think your money is safe, you just get. Don't ask me how. The pockets of the people are used as cash cows, milking the calcium from your dollar sign. So be careful where you put your little savings, because the 2-foot puss them too craving. IRAMA make we run. Because the 2-foot puss them a come. Then take your bank account and left a blank account. Then tell me how you do it. All the money where you thief make we run. Because the 2-foot puss them a run gone.
Bless. Yeah man, how you doing? Yeah man, it's all about the community. And it's beautiful whenever time the community gather. Yes. My name is Richie Innocent, the poet. Whether the home, the church, the school, the workplace, the world, we are all one community. Now it's working time, the real working time, to free ourselves with communities and free our minds. Think cohesiveness and joint effort. Work to make your community be of great worth. So come, we community, come. Run, come, unity, come. Come, we community. The community, they are so for all of we. So come. Come, we community, come. Forward, come, unity, come. Come, we community. For this development, come, we community, come. Come, make we walk with we hand in hand. Unity, community, mean we strong. With the spirit of community, we can't go wrong. We need to start out to self to carry out the plan. Organize ourselves together, carry out the plan. So we can realize the ambition. Community people make we take a stand. Forward, because we have a role to play for success and harmony start from today. So come. Come, we community, come. Forward, come unity. Community, we make the future brighter. Collective energy, we make the work get lighter. If we need results, we must be initiator. Community people be motivator. Community people make we empower self. And stop the culture, tear down self. What we done, make we do it ourselves. Build ourselves instead of violence and kill ourselves. We need new thinking, community. Instead of division and animosity, we need vision and better strategy for influence, move to action, community. Make we work for the community, make it be the cause. No live pan it now, go work and pan because. In every unit, you have to find flaws. Community, respect the rules and laws. You have to know, so we have no time for pass. Be a part of the team, wherever you live, contribute. Do something, be constructive. Know your rules, know your function. Try to be a bridge before you be an element or destructive. Me begging you, try your best to be positive. Your time and your skills, something you can give. Volunteer to share professional knowledge, and that is the only way we're gonna be progressive. So come, we community, come. Forward, come, unity, come. Come, we community. The community, they are so for all of we. So come, we community for this development. Come, we community. Love you, Jamaica. Love you, Iran.
Yeah. Dub poetry is not just about social commentary. You know, so you have love dub. So I'm going to do a love poem in a dub. It's called Levi Jeans. I've been watching you from across the room. The way you move in those Levi jeans, it's like a work of art. The bounce of your step is so hypnotic. Me no asthmatic, but me find myself a blow short. If me never smart, I know the proper adjectives me the cuss to clot. And don't give a damn what the neighbors thought. Long story short, you grip me spellbound like one of Michael Jackson's performance. The way you make me feel, me to take the chance and give you some loving in advance, man. If you catch me staring, that body oil you're wearing is so endearing. It and your physique is making me weak, provoking my feminine mystique. Boy, you're looking good. You must be a twin. Cause one person couldn't be so goddamn good looking. Big up your father jeans and your mother cooking. Can I have your number? This lonely soldier need to invite you over. Art is my passion. Let's create poetic magic on the sofa. You be the pen, I will be the paper. This poem don't need a lot of words. Take out the adjectives and leave the verbs. I'm not that hard to please. When you come in, I'm not that hard to please. Sometimes all I need is a cup of herbal tea, a foot massage, and a firm shoulder. When you come, please, when you're coming over, please, don't forget to wear those Levi jeans.
Irama. Give it up for Cherry Natural. Rastakura. Make your food be your medicine. And your medicine be your food. I man is a Rastaman. I'm the only support ITAN, organic agriculture. So make your food be your medicine. And your medicine be your food. Irama. Make your food be your medicine, and your medicine be your food. Selassie I. Sometimes I feel like I would eat a whole heap of blouse and skirt, Jamaican food. Me just remember some nice food that I love to eat. Irama. You ever eat some tonka meal and red peas, rich in coconut milk and some steamed canaluna and calabash? You ever remember one Sunday night when you get some biscuit and put on mint tea or busy or any one of them tea there? Sometimes I really miss the food from my granny. Hey, mama used to could have baked some potato, you see man, and blue jams and cassava dumpling and every Sunday we get sour sack juice and rice and peas and wake up Monday morning with all some roasted fruit and green banana. Irama. Make your food be your medicine, and your medicine be your food. Make your food be your medicine, and your medicine be your food. For the farmer them, you ever that bush one day and get a piece of roast yam and sugar and water with lime juice, yes? Mama could that juice it carrot make you feel good, no flow, wow. All the sweet yam time come, and she pull up my place with that. No matter how the dog communicate, your mind and your mouth in a different state. You could have love him, look more. Move, brother. You know, to me I eat. You ever eat some tofu in a sweet and sour fashion from country farmers, yes? And a 2-leaf and lettuce and some mung bean sprouts. Irama. Make your food be your medicine, and your medicine be your food. Make your food be your medicine, and your medicine be your food. Give thanks to the love Irama. Rastakura love the island. Selassie I.
Come on, let's hear for a spoken word poets, man. Word, sound, and power. Yeah, Cherry Natural, Rastakura, Richie Innocent, wise words. Let's hear it one more time.